Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video we will see how we can take sum, average, maximum and minimum of the columns. So for example, I have this table and I want to find out the sum of all ages of all employees, or I want to find out the average age of employees in my company, or I want to find out who is the oldest person in my company or who is the youngest person in my company. How I can do that, I will show you right now. So in your query tab, write select age from your database dot table name and now it's important to see here this select age you cover with brackets, and outside this bracket write sum. So this will give me the sum of ages of the employee. I will write here, I will execute this query, and I can see here the sum of the ages is 287. In the same way, I want to find the average, so I will write AVG before my age and I will execute the query, and you can see the average age of employees in my company is 41. In the same way, I want to find the oldest person, so I will write max age and I will execute the query, and maximum age of the employee in my company is 55. For minimum age, just write min and execute query. The minimum age is 27. And suppose you want to find out how many employees or how many rows my table contains, you can do or count your rows also from writing count age, or any column you can write here, for example name also, and I will execute the query, and the number of rows in which name are present is 7. So in this way you can use this select statement for finding out maximum, average, minimum and sum of these values. So I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.